Want to run a 24/7 YouTube live stream using pre-recorded videos without keeping your PC on all day? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to start unlimited live streams. First, visit streamkite.live, get your passkey, and sign into the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll see the StreamKite dashboard. From here, you can create and manage multiple live streams easily. You can run multiple streams at the same time using separate slots. Now click on Add Stream. Inside the slot, upload your video file. You can also create playlist-based live streams quickly and easily by adding multiple files. After uploading your files, simply click the Start button. And that's it. Your live stream starts instantly. You can stream for unlimited duration with no time limit. You can also schedule streams and set auto-stop timing directly from the dashboard. This makes it super easy to automate your live streams without manual work. There's also a powerful widget section packed with advanced features. We'll discuss all those powerful tools in the next video. If you don't have your StreamKite passkey yet, get yours today. Link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.